This state-of-the-art facility processes thousands of chicks per hour, utilizing advanced robotics to ensure precise immunization. Humidity is right on target. The system is maintaining 25 degrees.
Excellent. The flock looks comfortable.
This reading here is slightly off the baseline.
I see it. I'll make the adjustment to the extrusion rate.
The facility operates continuously, utilizing advanced robotics to ensure every egg is carefully packaged before undergoing final inspection.
Manifest confirms 50 cases for Trailer 7. Copy that, 50 cases loaded.
We just got these in, they're the freshest ones.
Great, I'll take 2 cartons then.
Look how perfectly these eggs turned out. Who's ready to eat?
Me, I am so hungry, Mom.
They look delicious, honey.
The movement patterns show a slight deviation in this quadrant. Check the localized climate data against the behavioral metrics. Running the analysis now.
We need to increase the flow rate on the main conveyor. It's starting to back up near the shredder.
This is the backbone of global food distribution. Highly synchronized, these systems ensure that fresh poultry reaches markets worldwide. Load sequence initiated. Bay 4 is clear for entry.
Roger that. Securing the load now.
Everything looks good here, nice and cold. Great, here is the manifest for the 40 cases. I'll sign for it. And then the chicken jumped right over the fence.
Daddy, this chicken is the best ever. It's so crispy.
I'm glad you like it, sweetie. Eat up.
The integration of AI farming solutions allows us to monitor the health of every single bird in real time, optimizing conditions and ensuring peak efficiency. The misting cycle is perfectly calibrated. Record that temperature reading. Already on it. Standards are well maintained.
Almost there, little one. Yes, looking good.
The automated system is maintaining a 99.9% accuracy rate.
Good. Keep monitoring the flow rate on line 3.
We are seeing a consistent 5% increase in weight across the board since the upgrade. The climate control is definitely paying off.
Keep an eye on the alignment of that sealer arm. Already adjusted the settings. We are running at peak efficiency now.
Move that pallet to Bay 3. Copy that. Heading there now. Connecting the heartland to our tables, these refrigerated convoys are the lifeline of the modern food supply chain, racing against the setting sun.
Who wants the first piece of this amazing chicken?
It looks absolutely perfect, honey. The kids have been waiting all day.
This looks excellent. Take it to prep.
Keep an eye on the temperature regulation in Sector 4.
Looks stable from here, but I'll initiate a secondary scan.
Advanced technology and agriculture working together. This massive food production system supports millions of people every day.